Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Linux Mint release and ensuring packages are current. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to avoid dependency issues. Once done, make sure you have sudo access because you will need elevated privileges. Next, install the uncomplicated Firewall and its GUI with sudo apt install ufwa-gufwa. This gives you both command line control and a visual tool. Doing this first prevents version mismatches and lets you follow both terminal and GUI steps seamlessly. You now configure core policies. Start by checking existing rules with sudo ufwa status numbered so you don't duplicate entries. Then set safe defaults. Sudo ufwa default deny incoming and sudo ufwa default allow outgoing to block unsolicited inbound traffic while allowing normal outbound connections. After that, explicitly permit services you need. For example, sudo ufwa allow 22/TCP for SSH and sudo ufwa allow 80/443 for web traffic. These steps give you a restrictive baseline and precise openings for required. You finish by enabling the firewall with sudo ufwa enable and immediately verify the result using sudo ufwa status verbose. This ensures rules loaded correctly. Once enabled, test externally from another machine or with nmap to confirm intended ports are open and others closed. If something breaks, examine /var/log/ufwa. Log for blocked connections and use sudo ufwa status numbered to delete or reorder rules, then reapply changes. This troubleshooting step helps you quickly identify misconfigurations and restore expected services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.